Keeping your kids safe online can seem like a complex and difficult task, so here's 7 ways you can improve your online safety knowledge. 1. Understand. Read up about potential risks, challenges and sometimes illegal behaviour young people face to understand what could happen online. 2. Learn. Ask your child about what they do, how they use devices and who they talk to. Learn about their activities and check in regularly to see what has changed. 3. Explore. Take the time to explore the sites, apps and technologies your child uses to improve your knowledge and understand their experience. 4. Agree. Create a family code with your child to agree on what they can do online, including what sites can be visited, appropriate behaviour, privacy settings and time limits. 5. Teach. The challenge young people face using technology varies, but some online safety concepts are universal. Make sure your children understand the importance of using PINs and passwords and are careful connecting with online strangers. Be careful they are clear on how to be respectful towards others online too. 6. Model. Be a good example to your child. Make sure you role model the sort of behaviours you want to see your child use online and offline. 7. Plan. Make a plan so everybody knows what to do if something goes wrong online. It's worth having an understanding of what services are available and when to contact them in case you experience a challenge. Talking to NetSafe or the police might be a good place to start.